महिला दिनाच्यो सगळ्या म्हज्या महिला भगिनींक खूब खूब शुभेच्छा. महिलांच्यो योजना ज्यो मोदी सरकारान फाटल्या 8 वर्सां काडल्या आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या गोंय सरकारान काडल्या ह्यो सगळ्या पर्यंत सगळ्यांनी पावोवच्यो. हाज्या खातीर सगळी हो महिला दिनाचो कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्तान मेसेज जी आसली ही सगळ्या पर्यंत दिल्ली आसा. सगळ्या जाणांक शुभेच्छा.
NGO उजवाडान दोना पावलाचे गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ हॉस्पिटॅलिटी आणि कलिनरी एज्युकेशनाक बरोबर घेवन फुडलो म्हयनोभर बायलांच्या इश्यूंचेर कार्यावळी दवरल्यात.
First of all, a very happy Women's Day to all the strong women out there. Myself, Rishad Hussain from Goa College of Hospitality and Culinary Education, part of Foment Education and Charitable Society. We, Uzwar the Rays of Hope, the NGO, have started this because we want to put awareness on this topic, the gender equity, because it's very less that we speak on it. Like a lot of people do speak that there should be equal rights for men and women as well, but we just say, but we have never completely put a light on it. So we, Uzwar, have started with this a month-long presentation that will be going on in various educational institutes.
I started my day today. First I said a happy new day to my wife and then to my daughter in the afternoon. Is a day in which we remember all the beautiful part of our humanity, that is the woman who is not only the source of creation for all of us, but also the strength for the overall development of the world in large.
फॉमेंतो ग्रुपांनी बायला दीस फुलयलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.